Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to another sip of tech knowledge on Tech Brewed, your go-to spot for all things tech. So grab your favorite mug and let's dive in together. Cheers to learning something new.
Today we're diving deep into the fascinating universe of retrieval augmented generation, abbreviated RAG. If you've been following advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, you've likely heard of this transformative approach to enhancing AI capabilities. So go ahead, grab a coffee, tea, your drink of choice, and let's brew up some tech knowledge. Today is all about retrieval augmented generation, a technique revolutionizing how AI interacts with vast pools of data. Whether you're in research, development, or just curious about cutting-edge tech, Wragg offers some incredible applications. Let me break it down for you. At its core, Wragg enhances AI by combining retrieval and generation. Think of it as a smart librarian that doesn't just retrieve the right book for your question, but also summarizes and explains it in a way you'll understand. This means faster answers, more relevant information, and smarter systems. So what makes Wragg so special? Imagine a scenario where your AI assistant doesn't just generate answers based on pre-trained data. Instead, it actively retrieves the most up-to-date, relevant documents from sources like relational databases, vector databases, or even the web. Then it uses advanced natural language processing to craft an answer tailored to your query. Here's the exciting part. The Wragg workflow involves several advanced components, each playing a crucial role in making this process seamless and efficient. Let's walk through them. Number 1, query construction. This is where it all begins. The system takes your question and transforms it into a structured query. Advanced tools like text-to-SQL or text-to-cipher convert natural language into a format that databases can understand. There's also something called a self-query retriever, which automatically generates metadata filters to make the search even more precise. Number 2, query translation. Now, not every question is straightforward. What if your question is ambiguous? That's where query decomposition comes in. It rephrases or breaks down your input to retrieve the most relevant results. Imagine asking, what's the best coffee machine for under $200? The system might interpret it as, find coffee machines and filter by price under $200. Smart, right? Number 3, routing. Not all data lives in the same place. The Wragg system intelligently routes your query to the correct data source, whether that's a relational database, a graph database, or a vector store filled with embeddings. Think of it as directing traffic on a data superhighway. Number 4, retrieval. Once the query lands in the right place, the retrieval mechanism takes over. It filters results based on relevance, ranking them with advanced models like Wragg Fusion or even Rank GPT. Here's the kicker. If the retrieved documents don't fully answer your question, the system goes back for another round, a process known as active retrieval. And number 5, indexing and generation. Finally, all this data isn't useful unless it's organized and presented effectively. That's where indexing and generation come in. Techniques like semantic splitting or hierarchical indexing ensure that data is easy to navigate. On the generation side, the AI can synthesize its findings into a concise and informative response. And now, this may sound complex, and it is, but the applications are game-changing. From building intelligent customer support systems to creating more intuitive research tools, Wragg is opening doors we never thought possible. So why does Wragg matter? In a world drowning in data, Wragg is a lifeline. It makes AI smarter, more efficient, and more capable of solving real-world problems. Whether you're a developer, a tech enthusiast, or just someone who loves learning about what's next, this is a technology you'll want to keep on your radar. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into retrieval augmented generation. If you did, be sure to subscribe to the podcast, share the episode, and as always, you can sign up for the newsletter at gregdoig.com. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, keep brewing those ideas.
And that's a wrap. Thanks for sticking around, friends. I really appreciate your time and hope you found our time together enjoyable. Don't forget to like, share, or comment if you feel inclined. Until next time, Take care and keep smiling.